1, 2, 3, action! I'm going to show Make Life Special with Kira Callahan. Today, we're making apple bake. So, my thing you need is a bowl, a measuring spoon, teaspoon, and cutting board and a knife, and liquid and a cup. And the thing you need is an apple, cinnamon, tapioca, blueberry juice, flaxseed, and last green is butter substitute. So we are going to cook it now. So we see how.
Oh, Kira, we didn't cook them. I thought we cut them all, but we didn't. We just learned a new way to cut.
Yeah.
So Kira does cut sometimes, and she uses this knife.
Yeah.
It can't cut you. But we learned a new way on a Rachel Ray video. This is what we do now. You just cut it right in half. Then you cut it in half again. And then each half in half. And then you cut that core part out.
Yeah.
Then they're all very even.
Yeah.
So, and you could do it with an apple corer, but we don't have one at the moment. So, cut it in half, half again, and then cut out the core part.
Ah.
That's okay, I'll fix that. All right.
Mom?
Yes.
Okay.
So we have technical difficulty there. So I thought we had cut all the apples up, but we didn't. We put in 6 apples.
Yes, 6 apples.
So we've got 3 in, so we're going to have to cut some more. Once we get the apples in, we're going to do the cinnamon.
Yes.
So, and we coat the apples with the cinnamon.
Yes,
so Kira, why don't you put half the cinnamon and mix it around, and then when we get the rest in, we'll do the other half.
Okay.
And we've
a pinch,
or just maybe half.
Huh. Okay.
Well, I know. Do this.
Oh.
Do half a teaspoon, and then mix it all around.
Okay, so just do it now.
Mm-hmm. We have found that if we use Fuji apples, they're very sweet, and you don't need to add any sugar.
Yeah.
So, we like to coat the apples with the cinnamon.
And put it in lunch all the time.
Yes, it's a great item for packing your lunch with.
Yeah.
It's a healthy dessert.
Yeah.
This also happens the way we make it. It is gluten and dairy free.
Yeah.
In case that's something you're interested in. All right. Then after, this is taking a little longer than we thought because we thought all the apples were already in there. I think this time maybe we'll just do 5 apples. These are pretty big.
Yeah.
Sometimes we change it between 5 and 6.
Yeah.
These are big ones. Okay. So, Kira, why don't you go ahead and stir in the rest of the cinnamon?
Okay. You want some cinnamon?
Yep.
So put the cinnamon into the apples.
She's cutting out. Oh, did we tell them to preheat to 350?
Oh yeah, you preheat the oven to 350.
Yes. And also, we bake our apples in the very same bowl we cook them in.
Yeah.
So, and also you cover them. So if you have a casserole dish or pan with a top, or we've also used foil before.
Yeah.
We've also used the rectangular baking pans. It doesn't really matter. All right. We had blueberry juice 2 times. We found out by accident that blueberry. Oh, our oven's ready. We found out blueberries taste really good with apples.
Yeah.
Only by accident because that's all we had, and now we always use it. So, second thing is we coat all the apples with blueberry juice. And mix those. So, then towards the end we add another 1/4 cup. So total you need 1/2 cup of blueberry juice. Probably works with any juice we have too.
Yeah.
Then, the next thing is 1/4 cup of flaxseed meal.
Yeah.
It's ground flaxseed actually. It's not flaxseed meal. Ground flaxseed. And then we coat the apples with that. Then we have a secret. I don't know if it's secret because we're telling everyone. We kind of made this up too. Maybe. I'm not sure if we made it up or read it somewhere. But we make a little hole in the middle. We got a lot of big apples today.
Yes.
And in the side of that little hole, we pour in the tapioca beads. And that gives it a little thickness instead of flour or cornstarch. So all right in that, you just pour them all in. And then we add the 1/4, it's like a little tapioca swimming pool. Add the blueberry juice right over the tapioca, directly over top. And then as it cooks, the blueberry juice turns the tapioca into kind of a pudding-like thing.
Yeah.
Then finally,
the butter. Okay. And how many butter? How much butter are you?
about 5 teaspoons.
5 teaspoons of butter. What?
You could use this to scoop it off the teaspoon instead of your finger.
Thank you.
Oh, sure. If you point it towards it, that helps too. Well, I didn't need to scrape it. It's hard to get butter off of a spoon. And this is Earth Balance Natural Buttery Spread, and it's soy-free.
Yeah.
They have lots of kinds.
Yeah.
Of spread. And butter works really good too. Is that 5? Maybe one more?
Okay.
You can put a little more or a little less butter. It's kind of your preference.
I think that would do.
Big one. So we just leave it on top, and then when it's all cooked, we mix it all around.
Yeah.
And basically, this is like apple pie without a crust. That's kind
Yeah.
of crustless apple pie. All right, and then we'll put the top on. We sometimes use foil, or if our pan has the top, we use the top.
Yep.
All right. Then just cook it for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. That's it?
Yep.
You say that's all?
That's off now. And English special. Here, Callahan.
Bye.
Bye.